Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in on the opening episode of Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। Carlo.in Saturday Stardom में हम कुछ गेस्ट्स, सेलिब्रिटीज और सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाएंगे और उनकी जर्नी और उनकी पर्सनालिटी के बारे में कई सारे मज़ेदार सवालों के मज़ेदार जवाब जानेंगे। आज लॉकडाउन का 46th डे है एंड थर्ड फेज स्टार्ट हो चुका है। इंडिया को रेड, ऑरेंज और ग्रीन जोन्स में डिवाइड कर दिया गया है। इन जोन्स में अलग अलग तरीके की छूट है, पर मैं आपसे गुजारिश करता हूँ सेफ रहें, सुरक्षित रहें और लॉकडाउन के नियमों का पालन करते रहें अपनी स्टेट के हिसाब से। आज के हमारे पहले गेस्ट को इंडिया का कार किंग बोला जा रहा है। मुझे याद है मैं 2014 में उनसे पहली बार मिला था। तब उन्होंने अपने एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स और विजन के बारे में मेरे से काफ़ी बातें की थी। To see those expansion plans and vision getting implemented is very impressive. So please join me in welcoming the founder and managing director of Big Boy Toys, Mr. Jatin Ahuja. Let's connect with him. Hi Jatin ji, how are you?
Fantastic sir, आप बताइए, how are you?
I'm very good. I welcome you to Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. And I welcome you to the first show of the first season and thank you for coming here and inaugurating the same. And our subscribers and viewers are eagerly waiting for hearing those amazing answers out of you of these very light-hearted and positive questions. आज की डेट में काफी ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बातें हो रही हैं, तो I thought today you are being considered as the car king of India. तो मैंने कहा let the king answer some of the very quirky questions about himself, his journey and his personality.
Thank you very much sir for the warm welcome and the phrase used, so it gives us more motivation है और मेहनत करने के लिए. I would say thank you very much for the welcome.
जी, so how is the lockdown?
Lockdown is fantastic यार, मजा आ रहा है, छुट्टियां मना रहे हैं. After 16-17 years के बाद ऐसी लंबी छुट्टी मिली है, so I am enjoying every bit of it यार.
Okay, nice. I'm sure अभी सारा जो आपके एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन्स एंड एवरीथिंग जो आप ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं, डिजिटल का आपका फोकस है, आपने मेरे से डिस्कशन पहले भी किया था, तो आई थिंक दैट थोड़ा उस चीज ने गर्मी पकड़ी हुई है. आई एम श्योर एट योर एंड.
Yeah. So, I was hearing a lot of people, the industry leaders like Ritesh Agarwal of Oyo,
yes,
and Vipul Sharma, सबने अपने campaigns pause किए हुए हैं. हमने pause नहीं किए हैं सर. मतलब हम digitally और strengthen कर रहे हैं because this is the right time to reach out to a lot more people because जो online digital consumption इस time पे है वो highest है at the moment.
Yes.
So हो सकता है client might not take a decision right now, but at least you get registered in his mind. Yeah.
Correct.
So that's the way we look at it.
So, मतलब your profession is very glamorous and very exciting. I mean, why cars? Why? I mean, there are a lot of people who think कि मतलब है क्या ये industry? Why would a person get into it? And why did you choose this profession?
So this is, if you'll ask me, profession glamorous कभी भी नहीं था हमारा business because when we started our career with the first car, मतलब car dealers की बहुत ज़्यादा इज्जत नहीं होती थी. So हमने एटलीस्ट इतना कोशिश करी कि हमारे जितने भी fraternity है, अगर आप उनको इज्जत नहीं दे सकते तो एटलीस्ट बेइज्जती ना करें. That was my first aspect of it. So at least ये बिकॉज कभी भी कोई भी धंधा छोटा नहीं होता है. सो किसी को भी हम अंडर एस्टिमेट हमारे को नहीं करना चाहिए. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट विजन ऑफ इट. सो आई थॉट लेट्स मेक दिस ट्रेड रिस्पेक्टेबल फॉर एवरीवन, या सो दैट जितने भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनकी मोटिवेशन बनी रहे. सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ इट.
Excellent. And I think most of the people in the trade and around you are more than motivated at the kind of progress and expansion that BBT has done and given a lot of hope to this industry and a lot of respect to this industry. I'm sure of that. So I think that might also be the best part of your job. What do you think is the best part of your job?
So the best part of my job is sitting. See, basically, cars is a passion. So जब आप ऑफिस जाते हैं और आप जिस चीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा पैशनेट है उसके बीच में बैठ के जब आप काम करते हैं and from the highest level to the best whatever you can think of in the country, so that's the best part. Yeah. So going to the office and working is the best part. Yeah. So every morning it's a new motivation कि यार आज ये और करना है. So the entire team, and we are a very passionate team. So we are 175 people, but the first criteria to get into Big Boy Toys is passion for automobiles. So if you're passionate, मतलब working hours की तो कोई problem ही नहीं है. मतलब आप 10 बजे तक रात को काम करा लो, 2 बजे तक करा लो, सुबह 6 बजे करा लो, so कोई stress ही नहीं है.
So coming to this, that you were saying you have working hours का कुछ नहीं है, but I'm sure कभी ना कभी थोड़ा बहुत, I'm sure automobile is a passion and everything, थोड़ा बहुत spare time तो रहता होगा. What do you prefer to do in that spare time? और होता ही नहीं है ऐसा.
स्पेयर टाइम तो होता ही है सर, और निकालना भी पड़ता है बिकॉज टू मच ऑफ वर्क इज नॉट वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ एंड आपकी मोटिवेशन, मुझे लगता है कि जो आपकी बैंडविड्थ है वो कम हो जाती है अगर आप प्रॉपर ब्रेक्स नहीं लेते. सो यस, सो इफ यू आस्क मी व्हाट आर माय पैशन apart from work, but मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैं अभी भी बहुत देर से कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Probably I'll try and do. So one thing which I definitely would love to do is skating.
Oh, really? अच्छा.
Yeah. So one is skating, which I would love to do. Two things which I'm not able to do is skating, and I want to probably learn dance. Yeah. So I want to go for a dance class.
Oh, nice. Any particular form of dance that you're looking at, or just?
I would look at a freestyle one, so nothing in specific. But ये दो चीजें मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ और मेरी टॉप मोस्ट लिस्ट पे है जो मुझे करना है. But उसके अलावा definitely spending time with the family is one of my biggest priority, with my daughter Zara and my son Ranaveer. Yes. And
both of them, I
are enjoying
photos. They are lovely. They are just lovely. I'm sure you cannot take a lot of time away from them. They're just cute.
That's always there. So that's always there. So that's what I do in my time, which I always get apart from work.
Oh, nice. And tell me something. There was a discussion we were having. What is your favorite car? I'm sure you have all the cars for the superstars. And who's your favorite celebrity? And let me extend this question a little bit. Do you have that favorite car of yours, and do you have that celebrity as a client?
Okay. So, two cars which I would love. One I own and one I would probably get in some time. So, see, if you're passionate, you need two cars. One for your utility, for your daily needs, and second one would be out of passion, which you've always thought as a kid you would always want to buy.
Yes.
So G63 is one of my favorite cars, which I drive on a daily basis. And the car which I would want to buy, G63 AMG.
Okay.
And the car which I would want to buy very soon would be a Rolls-Royce Phantom.
Oh, nice.
So hopefully,
what colors do you like?
Lockdown I'm always been very passionate about white color, but coincidentally, I don't like black, but coincidentally, all my cars are black.
That is what happened. Nice. And who do you like in Bollywood? Let's come to Bollywood, or any sports celebrity. Who's your favorite celebrity, or some celebrity that you wish that I've had a dream since my childhood to make him my client, or whenever I started my career. So something, सबका एक होता है अंदर से कि भाई इनको तो गाड़ी जरूर होनी चाहिए मेरे थ्रू.
Right. So I would say sports में दो लोग, because अगर आप पहले पूछोगे 10 साल पहले तो yes, everybody wanted to meet Yuvraj Singh.
Yes.
And so 10 years back when I was a kid, always was Yuvraj Singh, and now Yuvraj Singh and Virat Kohli is what I would say from the cricket fraternity. And from Bollywood, of course, Salman Khan is what I would is my one of my favorites. Yeah.
And there is a rumor that Salman Bhai is trying to change his fleet post the lockdown. So I'm sure you have that opportunity to bank upon this.
100%, we'll try our level best, but he's already our customer, so we bought we bought a couple of cars from them.
Acha.
I would say nahi, couple second की deal नहीं हुई थी. One transaction we've done with them just lately, about 6-8 months back.
So the celebrity that you wanted to have a business transaction with for your brand, तो वो already client तो है at least. और थोड़ा रिश्ता और बड़ा हो, जितना ज़्यादा उतना अच्छा है.
All three we've already dealt with. So Yuvraj Singh ji ke saath we've done a couple of transactions. So we've given him his Range Rover. Jo unko we actually did his M5 also, which he got. जब उन्होंने 6 छक्के मारे थे, we got an M5. So that M5 also is now a couple of years old. So मेरे ख्याल 10-15 years old. So we did up the whole car and we've almost spent more money than the value of the car right now. So he's very happy with the outcome. So with the whole paint job, leather, everything we've made. So we've made sure that the car looks as good as brand new now. So we've almost spent 4.5 months getting this car to its original form now.
And now that you sell this car to, I'm sure there'll be another buyer.
No. He's not selling that car. So he's retaining the car. We did the whole job for him only.
Oh, okay. He's retaining the car. So, for example, if this some kind of a celebrity car comes to you, so if somebody wants to purchase that car, do you tell them that this was used by this celebrity, or you keep that confidential? And how big is that factor?
We try to keep them confidential, and we don't see. At the end of the day, for us, the most important product is our automobile or the car.
Yes.
So we always try and emphasize on the product instead of the background of the product, because that's the way we've been doing it. Yeah. So I don't want to sell their name. I want to sell my car. Yeah. So and I'm confident about my product. So I don't think so. It's required to use the name and all of that. Yeah.
So Jatinji, I have a quick set of questions. We call this segment as a one word, one line answer. And these are very, very informal questions. Nothing to do with the trade, everything to do with you. So let's start this segment of one word, one line answer. Starting now, what do you prefer? Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Smoker, drinker, or a complete teetotaler?
Teetotaler.
Okay. So, and what's there right now on your phone as a wallpaper?
It's a G63 along with my daughter.
Oh, both your favorite things. What's your favorite sport?
Anji?
What's your favorite sport?
Cricket.
Who's your biggest inspiration?
Dhirubhai Ambani.
One thing that you hate most about yourself?
I need to go back 20 kgs back, and probably if I start losing weight, I'll start looking like 35, which I don't. So I look like 40. That's one thing which I really hate about myself.
Okay. And one thing that you are really proud of about yourself?
अभी तक ऐसा कोई काम नहीं किया सर.
अच्छा. What's your favorite cuisine?
Japanese.
Nice. What's your favorite travel destination? Not right now, of course, but generally.
Bangkok.
Okay, right. So that ends our segment for one word, one line answer. Talking about this lockdown and everything, what before this, what in the last 1 year, let's talk about 2019 going towards 20, what was the best thing that happened to you last year? मतलब क्या ऐसा था कि मतलब it was phenomenal, 2019 में बहुत अच्छी ये चीज हुई.
अभी 2020 चल रहा है ना, 19 बहुत अच्छी चीज. पता नहीं सर, ऐसी अच्छी चीज तो मुझे लग नहीं रहा है, बट यस वी ओपनड
दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड भी मिला था. I think
दो
when
साल
that was
दो साल
that was
चल रहे
18.
हैं.
It was 18. Yes, yes, yes. But then
Yeah.
you opened up a new location, I believe, in 19.
Yeah, we've opened up. So
Yeah.
yeah, my son is 1 year old. Yeah, so 2019 hai wo,
Oh yes,
April.
yes.
So
That's
Danaveer is the best thing which has happened to me in the last 1 year. In 2019, work wise, I would say 18 was the one when we got fully fledgedly into new cars as well. So our new car sales was almost about 100 crores. Yeah. So in 2018.
okay.
So that is something which is nice, which has happened in 2018.
Oh, nice. And also, I just wanted my subscribers and the people who are watching this show to know what is the most important thing that our viewers should know about you.
Important thing about me. I'm a hard worker, yeah. Don't criticize our work. That's the only. We always
I know.
और हमारी इंग्लिश बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है.
हाँ,
हमारी इंग्लिश बहुत ज़्यादा खराब है.
मैं जानता हूँ कि आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा अप्रोचेबल भी हैं. मतलब आपसे कोई भी मिल सकता है. That I know for sure. ऐसी बात नहीं है. I've felt this. My teams have felt this. People in my circle have felt this. You are very approachable, very humble.
Sir, why won't I be approachable? Yeah, so I am amongst you, all of us. कभी भी हमने एक दूसरे को मिलना होता है तो हम कभी सोचते थोड़ी हैं, फोन उठाते हैं, कॉल करते हैं और पहुंच जाते हैं. So यहाँ पे हमारा सामने ही शोरूम है. Come over anytime and I normally at least 4-5 days in a week I'm always there. So anyone, everyone is more than welcome. And it's not just about me. Probably a lot more people want to come and see the cars more than me, I would say. So all our showrooms across the country are always approachable. You can just go. You don't need to ask. No appointments. Just straight away go, enter and ask for a cup of coffee and you'll get it. Yeah, anyone.
Yes, that I know. That you know.
Okay.
इस मामले में आपका the entire brand is very humble, very hospitable and you know सभी लोग वहाँ से मैंने काफी लोगों को देखा है. मतलब कई बार मैंने खुद जब मैं आपके शोरूम में गुड़गांव वाले शोरूम में होता था, कई क्लाइंट्स ऐसे भी आते थे. क्लाइंट्स वो नहीं भी होते थे, जस्ट फॉर द लुकिंग एट कार्स. कुछ बच्चे भी आते थे, कई बार मैंने देखा. तो आई थिंक उस मामले में बिग बॉय टॉयज एज अ ब्रांड इज बीइंग nurtured in a way to be very hospitable to anyone who's passionate about cars.
सर उसका रीजन है ना, 15 साल पहले 20 साल पहले मैं भी वही करता था. तो मुझे बहुत सोचना पड़ता था कि मैं घुसूं कि नहीं घुसूं, जा पाऊंगा कि नहीं जा पाऊंगा. सो दिस इज मतलब this is for me and people like me who've been very passionate about automobiles. You don't need to give it a second thought. Yeah, maybe I might be able to inspire more people to do something good, yeah, for themselves, because actually में आपका passion या आपकी जरूरत, दो चीजें हैं जो आपसे काम कराती हैं. तो अगर आप किसी भी चीज के लिए to this business, and I started at the age of 18 because I always wanted to buy a Mercedes.
Right.
That was my dream. So जब Mercedes का dream था तो मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी ना सर. Mercedes वाली. That inspired me, and if that can travel, why not, sir? The country needs entrepreneurs like a lot of people who've been there. The startups, Ritesh Agarwal, Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Our country needs entrepreneurs like them, because at the end of the day country की wealth क्या होती है sir? Individuals की wealth combined together. Correct.
So on that note, I would like to ask you our final question today. What after this the COVID-19 thing and the kind of a lockdown that we have seen, I think हम लोगों ने बड़े होते हुए भी कभी ऐसी situation देखी नहीं. काम करते हुए तो अलग ही बात है. What do you look forward to? Not just for BBT, but on the whole as the automobile industry. What do you think is the way forward?
So the way forward is जो confident रहेगा, जो अपने business में strength डालता रहेगा, वो float करता रहेगा. जो हार मान जाएगा वो डूब जाएगा. So आपको मेहनत करनी है. सिर्फ हुआ कुछ नहीं है. 2-2.5 महीने आपने काम नहीं किया है. अगर आप 12 महीने में 2-2.5 महीने काम नहीं करते, इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता कि धंधा बंद हो जाता है. Stay confident, work hard, and जो चीजें आपकी मिस हो गई हैं कई सालों से, like your digital presence or strengthening your digital presence, I would say. So work on that, because आज आपको ये चीज तो पता चल गई है, सिर्फ physical store से काम नहीं चलने वाला है.
Correct.
Digital is the way forward. So kindly work on that and make sure that जो जो चीजें आप नहीं कर पाए हैं इतने सालों से, वो अब वक्त है करने के लिए। और अगर वो आपने नहीं शुरू करी है तो आज से शुरू कीजिए। वैसे तो कल से शुरू हो जानी चाहिए थी, बट नहीं हुई तो आज से कीजिए।
It is never late to start afresh.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Right. जतिन जी, आपसे बात करके, आपके बारे में जान के बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमारे सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स, they must be enjoying this conversation, and now they know that BBT is so approachable. They will absolutely post the lockdown, drop in for that cup of coffee and looking at their favorite dream cars. So thank you so much for coming in. Thank you so much for motivating automobile industry and other individuals alike. And for any other questions, please do comment, and I will make sure that those questions do reach Mr. Ahuja. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So this was Mr. Jatin Ahuja, founder and managing director of Big Boy Toys, in conversation with me, Sujay Gupta, on Carlo.in presents Saturday Stardom. I'm signing off for now, but next week Saturday को 8 बजे मैं एक और गेस्ट को लेके आऊँगा, जिनके साथ करेंगे हम बहुत सारी मज़ेदार बातें। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, कमेंट करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें। और हाँ, उनको बोलिएगा ज़रूर YouTube पे Carlo.in चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। Till then, I hope and I pray that you stay safe, you stay protected, and I'll see you next Saturday. Take care and good night.